Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Anna, and today we are going to be doing a little swatch video. One of my favorite things to do. Today we're going to be swatching out the Milani Keep It Full Glossy Plumping Lip Balms. I've got the whole collection. We're going to give them a good swatch, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the product while we do that. So if that interests you, just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, I've got all 12 shades here lined up in front of me. We're gonna go lightest to darkest and see how they look. But first, let's talk about some of the details and claims. There's a couple of little call outs here. So these do retail for $15.99, which is a little up there, but I've noticed with Milani, these are made in Korea. Any of their products that are made in Korea tend to cost a little bit more than their stuff that's made in the US or Italy or anywhere else. But they say these are a 3-in-1 multitasker. They have shine, balm-like comfort, and immediate and long-term plumping effect, which I think over like the course of 4 weeks, you're supposed to see some plumping happening if you use them like consistently every day, I would assume. These are high shine and high comfort. This has 1% maxi lip within and is formulated with mango seed butter and Kalahari melon oil. They're vegan and cruelty free, made in Korea. So let's get into the swatches. Now we're going to start the lightest shade. First up is the shade called Ballet, which is this beautiful baby soft pink. This is going to be very sheer and light on the lips, not a whole lot of pigment. These do twist up like so. Alright. So Ballet is just a soft, sweet ballet pink, truly. A little bit of cool tone in there, a little bit of a milkiness to it. These are very melty. They have a little bit of a minty cooling effect, but it's not painful, it's not stingy, it's not burning. It's just a little teeny tiny, slightly cooling effect to them, but nothing. It's not gonna hurt, it's not gonna feel weird, it's not gonna be painful. And these are very juicy looking on the lips. They're very glossy, very high shine, and they're very, very melty and pillowy on the lips. But yeah, really nice. So this is the shade Ballet. But these do have kind of a bit of a sheer quality to them. They're not high pigments in your face color. Next up we have Ribbon, which is a little bit cooler. Maybe this one's a little warmer. Yeah, this one's a little bit of a warmer pink. That's the difference. A little bit more your lips but better type of color. Like it pretty much matches my lip color. But it's not sheer, there is color to it. It's just, I mean, it's not clear that it does have color. It just matches my lips, my lip shade really well. So this is a perfect your lips but better color if you have similar lip shade to me. There we go. This is Ribbon. I really like Ribbon. That's very pretty. It's just a very baby soft, kind of warmer pink. Love it. And look how like full and juicy the lips look. They look very smooth and like plumped up and juicy. Like they're not dry looking or wrinkly. These really hydrate very well. And they're very comfortable, just generally very comfortable. All right, and next up we have the shade Moi. Moi is getting into a little bit more of a mauve-y, a little bit more deeper territory here. A little bit cooler, a little bit more of a, yeah, a mauve shade. Soft, very soft mauve. Again, really easy color to wear. These are throw it in your handbag, not think about it type of shades that are just kind of clean girl, easy lip products. These are fuss free, and yeah, Moi is very, very pretty. I quite like that shade too. It's hard to pick, they're all so pretty. Okay, now we're getting into some warmer tones. We have got the shade Puff. I've used Puff quite a bit because it kind of just matches a lot of stuff. It's a very nice, just easy kind of nudish kind of color to go for. And word of caution, don't twist up too much. They'll make a mess. So only twist up as much as you need. Like, be a little cautious with that. This is one of those warmer nudie shades. It's gonna work with a million different looks. Easy to wear, just a hint more warmth in it. So this one is Puff. Okay, next up, we're getting into a little bit more of a tawny color here. This is called Honey. You see this one's got a little bit more of a tan quality to it on the lips. They give a hint of color. Very pretty. So this one is Honey. All right, and moving a little deeper here, we have got the shade Spice. This one's moving into a little bit more of a red, spicy place. Oh yeah, that's pretty. This is gonna be a good late summer, fall type of shade. Very nice. So this one is Spice. Next up we have the shade Hazel. This one getting a little bit deeper, kind of a hazelnut color. A little more something to it. It's got a bit of coolness in there, looks like. A little more sheer than you would expect. So very pretty, very easy color. Yeah, really nice. So this is Hazel. I mean, just a few of the deeper shades here. We have got a nice, fun, a little bit berry shade. This one is called a Jam. And yeah, kind of a jam color. I think I used this one in a video not too long ago. Yep, a nice little softer than Black Honey kind of jam. A little hint of berry. This would be very pretty for fall, winter. So this is Jam. Next up, we have got Chili. So we're getting in a little bit of a warmer red here. Ooh, yeah, this is one's gonna be pretty for late summer moving into fall. If you're somebody who likes kind of a reddish lip, but doesn't want a high maintenance red lip, just a little kiss of something red, Chili is nice. It's a sheer, effortless wash of red. Very easy, comfortable, just pretty. And again, low maintenance. This one is Chili. Next, we have got Bijou. Getting a little deeper here, kind of a burgundy. Ooh, very pretty, a little more of a sultry shade. A little more depth to it, but still not too much. Still very low maintenance. Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. So this is the shade Bijou. Next up, we have got what looks like going to be kind of a Black Honey shade, and this one's called Lana. Nice, deep plum. Deepened plum, sheer, still sheer, kind of Black Honey color. Very pretty, very low maintenance, but still has a really nice level of depth to it. This is going to be beautiful for fall, winter. So this one is Lana. If you're looking for kind of something with that Black Honey vibe to it, here you go. Now, last one, we have got Truffle, which is a darker brown shade. This may actually not be the deepest. I think Lana might be. But we got a nice, cool brown. Great fall lip gloss here. All right, and this one is Truffle. It's a really nice, kind of a little bit richer brown. Really nice. I like that one too. That's really nice. Overall, these are beautiful. They've got a really good formulation, very comfortable, very plumping in a more skincare way, not from like an irritant way. Like, they have a very nourishing quality to them. They're not going to irritate your lips or feel weird. They have a slight cooling sensation to them, but it's definitely not uncomfortable or anything like that. It's not, there's no flavor. They're not minty. There's just a hint of cooling going on. And yeah, I think they look beautiful and very comfortable, easy lip products. These are the throw them in your bag, not have to worry about it. Clean girl, busy lady lip products. Wonderful. Great for year round. And some really nice shades to choose from. Big fan of these deeper ones for sure. I think they are gorgeous. With lip liners, these would be even better, I think. But yeah, good stuff, Milani. Thank you for sending these over, by the way, to Swatch. Let me know your thoughts and what other lip products you want to see swatched out down below. We got some more Milani coming your way. And what else? And some e.l.f. All right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Bye now.